Coking coal, in addition to a large number of used in iron making and non-ferrous metal smelting, but also used in casting, chemical industry, calcium carbide and ferroalloy. Coking coal ball press is simple in structure, but can play a greater role. The equipment is very stable. The overall steel is strong, inclined iron pressure structure, mainly in the non-hydraulic constant pressure ball press used. Convenient structure adjustment will not cause wear. Its structure is to adjust the lead screw inclined iron downward movement. The other diagonal iron provides a fixed thrust to the floating roller, thus keeping the roller working properly for a long time. The rack is installed with the reaction spring device and sliding track. Coking coal ball press. If the pressure is very large, the passive wheel on the track can be flexible telescopic to ensure that the mechanical parts will not be damaged, to ensure the normal operation of mechanical equipment.